Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to pin a message in Telegram. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my mobile screen. Now I'll tap on this Telegram and over here you can see this is my interface. Now I'll go to my personal message. If I want to pin any message, I'll just tap on this message for once. And you can find these options. Now to pin this message, just tap on this pin. And you can see, do you want to pin this message on the top of chat? And again, tap on this pin. You can see on the top, here is the pinned message. This is all for personal message. Now on the group, if I go on this group and if I want to pin this message, I'll do the same on this as well. Tap on this, click on this pin. And the difference between personal message and group message is that here you can find notify all members. That means you can notify every members on this group. Now I'll uncheck this and just tap on pin. So in this way we can pin a message in Telegram. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.